4 people in the car. Cops find 1 gun. No one claims. Who gets charged? So in Chicago, the potential answer is all of you. Illinois law allows what's called constructive possession. That means if the gun is in the car, the state can argue everyone had knowledge of it and the ability to control it. There's even something called a rebuttable presumption. Basically, the law starts by assuming everyone possessed it. So yes, all 4 people can be charged. If it's loaded, accessible, and no one has a valid FOID or a CCL, which is a concealed to carry, you're likely looking at a felony. Now, once charged, the state has a higher burden to prove that you actually had knowledge of it. But in that moment, once pulled over, everyone's at risk. You don't get to explain first, you get charged first. Every move matters, every case counts. Follow for more tips like this.